Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel if you're returning. Welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and I am a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, various online marketplaces. And today I have an unboxing video for us. This is the American Eagle Women's Secondhand box from Helpsy Source. So if you want to see what they sent me in this one, definitely stick around. So I've been eyeballing this box back and forth, and I finally decided to go ahead and pick one up. And the reason being is American Eagle is one of my favorite bread and butter brands to sell, hands down. But the denim only, really, denim substantially outperforms any of their other apparel, shorts and t-shirts and tops and all that. So if it's a mixed box of 40, chances are it's not going to be all denim. If it were all denim, I'd buy that in a heartbeat. But I finally decided, I'm curious. I want to see what kind of mix it really is. So I decided to give it a try. This one is the Women's Secondhand American Eagle box, 40 pieces for $90. I think it was $120 and it was on sale for $90. I was able to use my 10% off code on top of that. So, and if you want to use my code too, definitely there's a link down below. Feel free to use it, or you can type in code OHYEAH at checkout and you'll get 10% off your order. I'm allowed to use my own code, which is awesome. So it was $81 with the code. And if there are 40 pieces in here, it would cost me $2.03 per piece based on that price. So I figure, even if I only list half of it, let's just say it's half jeans, or I only decide to list half of the pieces in here, it's still only about $4 per piece for 20. So I would pick up American Eagle jeans most of the time for $4 at the thrift store. That's sort of where my rationale is on this one. So if you like reseller content, make sure you subscribe. I do post about 3 to 4 times a week. I've been trying really hard to keep you guys updated on everything I've been doing so that you can maybe make some decisions for your own reseller business of what's a good box, or ones that you want to experiment with, or you just want to see what I'm getting so that you can decide if you want to buy one as well. So I did open this a little bit just to peek inside. I had a lot of boxes come all at once, so I wanted to know which box we were talking about today, but I haven't looked at anything. So I'm going to open this up. I'll show you what's inside. I will get to listing everything that's in here, or everything that I plan to list. I do use List Perfectly to list everything on at least eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and some other sites depending on what it is. And it's been my saving grace in my business, honestly, just helping me get everything onto each platform as quickly as possible and then manage those listings when they sell off or whatever. So I love it. You can check that out down below if you want as well. In the meantime, let's see what is in this box. Okay, so I'll show you what I see here. I definitely see some denim, but then there's quite a bit of non-denim pieces as well. So I'll be interested to see the mix. Got a pair of jeans right on top here. So let's see what we've got. These are mom jeans, size 2 regular, and they look to be in pretty good shape. I am not afraid of smaller sizes with American Eagle jeans. I'll tell you what, actually, I pick up size 0 and 00 American Eagle jeans, and you know where they sell the best? Kidizen. If you're not on Kidizen, I also have a link below for that as well. You can get a $5 credit if you join. But if you're a reseller, and especially if you use List Perfectly or a cross-posting service, put your American Eagle jeans on Kidizen. I don't know why. I mean, I think it could be that moms are shopping for their teenage daughters or whatever, and they're looking for those sizes. But I'm telling you, size 0, 00, and size 2, I sell a lot of on Kidizen. So anyway, back to this. Here's another pair of jeans. These are black. These are the high-rise super stretch jeggings, size 2. There we go. Those look pretty good as well. Yeah, when Uptown Cheapskate has their big clearance sale, they mark down all those American Eagle jeans, the smaller ones. They're $1, $2. I pick them all up, and then I sell them on Kidizen. It's great. I love it. American Eagle jeggings, size 0 regular, and these are a grayish color. They look good. They're intentionally destroyed all the way down to the legs. Yeah, this is like my bread and butter dream come true. Those jeans right there, like all of those. Now getting into some tops here. This one's a size medium crop top. I've got a lot of inventory right now, but I'm going to really try to prioritize summer stuff and try to get it listed as quickly as possible. I don't actually know if I'll list all these. Now this is Aerie. That's not American Eagle. Extra small. Let's hope there's not a lot of Aerie. I wasn't expecting Aerie. I don't buy Aerie. I don't sell Aerie. This is also Aerie. As I say that, this one's a size small. This is a little bralette, I guess. Those are not too exciting to me. But again, I expected that probably at least half of this stuff I won't list. So I'm not mad about it. This is a pair of shorts. No, this is actually a skirt. Yeah, this is the back. This is the front. That's the back. Very preppy looking. I don't even know if stuff like that sells, to be honest. I'm much more into the jeans. The stuff like that, I'll have to kind of figure that out. Size extra small. This is a bodysuit. You know what? I actually had an American Eagle bodysuit of my own from my own personal closet that I listed, and it sold really, really fast. So maybe I should not be so harsh on those items and just give them a try. These are high-rise jeggings, size 6 short. Again, they look good. These might need to go through the wash, but they don't look like they're stained or anything. American Eagle jeans, I guess, sometimes tend to get a little bit like puckered or worn a little bit in the crotch, so you do have to be careful about that. This is size small. Wonder if I can like lop these up or something. There's a sweatshirt. Ooh, it's fuzzy on the inside. Jegging fit, amazingly soft. Amazingly soft. Size small. This is a very big size small. So I'm not sure if the jegging fit tops, I know at one point they were extremely popular, but I also think they may have gone out of style when the jeggings went out of style. So I don't know. These are hot pink jegging, size 2 regular. These, oh, and that's the other thing about American Eagle. They have the date code on the tag most of the time. These are from 2013. So these are 10 years old already. Wow. They're like ankle jeggings. I will list them anyway. I have found with American Eagle jeans, a lot of people like the older styles and they will go find their size on the secondhand market just the same as they would a newer pair. These are skinny jeans from 2015, size 4 regular. Okay. This is a ribbed little tank top. That one's a size large. Leggings. Yeah. Offline by Aerie. Is Aerie? I thought Aerie was Aeropostale. Maybe it's American Eagle. It might be. Sweater. Yeah, this is a ribbed cardigan, size extra large. That's a kind of a small extra large, but I guess if it's ribbed, oh, maybe not. Good size. That one I might try to list. Okay, these are a pair of red skinny jeans, jeggings, size 4 regular. Man, these are old, 2012. I don't know how these are gonna do. These might be getting into like too old territory. We'll have to see. some Soft and Sexy Waffle, size large. Oh, I like that one. This one might become mine. By the way, if you watched my Athleta box unboxing from Helpsy, I initially said I would be keeping this shirt, and here it is on me. I kept it. Finally, I kept something for myself, but I might keep that one too. That one's nice. I have to try it on the first. These are the boy crop jeans, size 0 regular. I will tell you, if I'm going to pass on any style, it's this one. This one and the artist crop don't do as well for me. Of course, now that they're here, I will definitely list them, but I might not have paid $4 for those. Oh, we got some ribbed sweatpants. And these are a size small. Okay. Flare ribbed sweatpants. I feel like, how old are these? These might be more in style, more current. Yeah, 6/22. So these are from last summer. Okay. Okay, these are really puckered. I'm not going to try to sell these, but I'll show you anyway. Curvy high-rise jegging, size 4 short. These are extremely puckered there in the front, if you can see it. To me, that's not even worth listing and disclosing. Like, that's a heavily flawed item. Airy again. Little crop top. I might try to lot some of these up just to like sell them. But this is that scrunchy material. Size small. Here's a sweater. I am currently taking sweaters, even though it is the summer. This one's a size medium. Ooh, this one might also become mine. Who knew I would find so much stuff in the American Eagle box I like? I actually do like American Eagle jeans. I don't wear jeans often, but when I do, they're from American Eagle. Almost every time. These are like just regular black leggings, size medium. I don't know if those are worth trying to sell or not, I'll be honest. This is a skirt, or maybe just like really flowy shorts. Yeah, these are like flowy shorts. Size small, from 2014. This is an extra small sweater. It's got a little zip up detail in the back. I don't actually have the best luck with their sweaters unless they're like a size large or higher. The smaller size sweaters, I don't typically look for their sweaters, but if I'm going to list them, it's going to be like larger or bigger. Speaking of large, this is a large t-shirt, cropped t-shirt. It's another little cropped, what is this? Is this a tube top? Yeah, this is a tube top. Size small. This is also a size small. These are a pair of shorts. These look a little bit newer. The thing is, this stuff didn't retail that high. 2017, okay, so they're not that new. So it's like hard. Maybe I'll take this stuff up to Uptown Cheapskate and just see if they want any of the summer stuff. I don't know if they're still buying summer stuff or if they're moving into fall. Size large tank top. It's more like a blouse. That's cute. I wonder how old this is. It seems like it's pretty current, but you never know. Nope, 2015. Waffle knit or thermal, size medium. Some lint on it, but that's fine. This is very soft. I might try this one on too. I have never wanted to try in so much stuff out of a box before. This is great, actually. Here's a hoodie. Oh, I like this hoodie too. What size? Size small. Yeah. I don't know if this is going to fit me at a size small, but there it is. Jegging hoodie. It might. I mean, it might. This might fit me. It wouldn't fit me the way it's intended to fit, oversized, but it might actually fit me. This is Airy, size medium. Definitely a nice loungewear shirt, oversized. Again, I don't know how much of that I would actually list. Okay, I can see the bottom, and I actually see a few more pair of jeans too. That's great. American Eagle, size medium. Lettuce hem. Got a flannel. These were really popular at one point. Size small. I don't know if they still are. Size small. I would typically only pick those up if they were a bigger size. That one's a little bit tiny and might be hard to sell. This one's a size medium hoodie. Oh, this is cropped hoodie. Yeah, so it's cropped length. It's got the banded sleeves. I think that's what you call it. All right, a couple more things. Oh, here we go. A couple more tops, and then the rest will all be jeans. Soft and sexy jegging t-shirt, long sleeve. And some kind of ombre number here. Size small ombre t-shirt. Okay, a couple more are all jeans. Well, these are technically shorts, but that's okay too. Size 0. Oh, this is a skirt. Just kidding. Size 0 skirt. You know, one time I picked up an American Eagle skirt because I thought it was really neat, and then it sat for like literally 2 years. And I never picked up another skirt. I don't even think it ever sold. I think I redonated it eventually. So don't have high hopes for that, but I'll give it a try. These are moderately puckered jeggings. These might go in a thread up box. Those are slightly past my pucker comfort zone. This one and one more. Sky high jegging, size 2 regular. These are puckered on the behind. See, these will go in a thread up box as well. I love that I can get thread up labels again. I'm using it to my advantage while I can. Last pair. Oh, very nice. Mom straight jeans, size 10 regular, good size, good style, from 2021. That's an easy 25 bucks, so that's great. All right, let me just count and see how many pieces we have here. All right, so I actually counted 42 pieces, which again, I will never complain about having extras. It's about what I expected. I would probably say I'll list about half of this, maybe a little less. I might actually keep a couple pieces for myself. Have you ordered this box? I would say it's about as expected for the price point. I do wish there would have been a little bit more denim, but again, it's exactly as expected. So I am going to get to listing. I will come back in 90 days and let you know ultimately what sold, how much it sold for, and if I actually made a profit on this box. A secondhand box like this where the cost of goods is low, I am going to want at least triple my money. So I might be able to do it, but I guess we will see. So definitely make sure you're subscribed if you want to see more unboxing videos like this or the 90-day updates that come with them. Drop me a like on the way out if you find this helpful. That really helps out my channel a lot as well. And thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one.